come back to Helper Dad. Invoice templates in QuickBooks offer numerous benefits, enhancing efficiency, consistency, and overall professionalism in your invoicing process. Begin creating your invoice template. First, you'll need to access the customization area. Typically, this can be found by clicking on the gear icon within QuickBooks and then selecting Custom Form Styles. These menu paths will guide you to the starting point for customization. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a template type. You'll have the option of editing existing templates or starting fresh with a new style. For a completely customized template, we recommend selecting New Style. Finally, you'll need to specify that you are creating an invoice as the form type. Now, let's design the invoice template's layout. You have several appearance options to make it your own. You can upload your company logo. We recommend using specific dimensions and file types to ensure a clear display. You can also select a primary color palette for your template, keeping in mind readability when choosing colors. Choose a font for the entire invoice, and take note of the various font size options. You can also rearrange sections such as the header, footer, and columns to suit your specific needs. It is recommended to use the preview functionality frequently to see how these layout choices affect the template. ETs customize the invoice template's content, starting with the header. Make sure your business name, address, and contact information are correct. If you find incorrect information in QuickBooks, edit the company name and contact details. Understand that the invoice numbering can be automatic. You can customize the starting number, but exercise caution when doing so. The invoice date will populate automatically. For the due date, set payment terms like net 30 or due upon receipt. Verify that your customer's name and address display correctly. Moving on to columns customization, you can enable or disable the service date column and select relevant product or service descriptions for the product/service column. Ensure the appropriate unit of measure is shown in the quantity column if needed. Confirm that the rate/price column displays accurate pricing information, and verify the accurate calculation in the amount column. If necessary, you can add custom fields like a PO number or project name. Finally, customize the footer by adding general notes or disclaimers, including payment terms, return policies, or legal disclaimers, and consider adding a personalized message to each customer. Now that the template is designed and customized, save the template. Choose a descriptive name that you can easily recognize later. Optionally, designate the new template as the default invoice template, so it's automatically selected when you create new invoices. Preview the template one last time before saving. Once you are satisfied, click the Done or Save button to finalize the template. Now it's time to use your new template. To create a new invoice, navigate to the invoice creation screen. If you set the template as the default, confirm that it's applied automatically. If you have multiple templates, manually select the desired template. Fill in all the necessary invoice details, including customer information, products/services, quantities, and prices. Before sending, preview the final invoice to ensure accuracy, then send it via email or print it. In conclusion, a custom invoice template in QuickBooks can greatly benefit your business operations. Take the time to explore advanced customization options and experiment with different designs. You might even create multiple templates tailored to different customer segments or services. Now you can send professional invoices. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper Dad.